Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to sideload APK files on Windows 11. So you can install any APK files on your Windows 11. Make sure that you have installed the Windows subsystem for Android. I already created a video about it, so make sure to watch my previous video to install this. So first download the APK file you want to install. Just visit Google Play Store on your browser and then search for the app you want to install. So for example, I want to install Instagram. So open Instagram here and then copy the link of Instagram from here. Now visit this site, the link is in the description. Now paste the link here and click on the search. Click on download APK file and click on start download to download this APK, and the download has been started. And in this way you can download any APK files from the Google Play Store. Simply search for any app, then copy the link from here. Now paste the link here and click on the search. Click on download APK file and then download the app from here. And to install APK files on your Windows 11, then you have to download these platform tools as well. Simply visit this link and click on download platform tools for Windows. So I already downloaded the platform tools and these 3 APK files as well. So before starting, open the Windows subsystem for Android and from here enable the developer option. Now click on manage developer settings. Now close this and from the IP address here click on refresh, and now copy the IP address from here. Just click on copy. Now extract the platform tools and wait for it to extract. Now open the folder and then copy the location of this folder from here. Then open search and type cmd here, then click on run as administrator, and from here type cd and then paste the location of the platform tools folder. Then press enter. Now type adb connect and then paste the IP address that you have copied. Now press enter and you can see this connected message here. Now to install the APK file, then simply copy the location of the APK file you want to install. So for example, this Instagram app, just right click on it and click on copy as a path. Now type adb install and then paste the location of the APK file here. Then press enter. Now wait for it to install. Then you will see this success message here, and from here you can see the Instagram has been installed, and you can click on it to run from here, and you can see that the Instagram app is running and working well on Windows 11. So using this method you can install any APK files on your Windows 11. All you have to do is to type adb install and then paste the location of the APK file here, and then the Android app will install on your Windows 11. So you can run the app from here, and you can see it is also working here, but not all the app is currently working well on Windows 11. The apps that are available on the Amazon store will work great here, but you can try your favorite apps or games here and can see if it's working well on the Windows subsystem for Android or not. So in this way you can install any apps from the Google Play Store to your Windows 11 using this method. If you still have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the latest Windows 11 videos. Thanks for watching.